Modern vehicles have provided people with unprecedented freedom and convenience. The least we can do is keep them clean, but that poses a problem. How do we efficiently wash large quantities of cars without massive car washing facilities? Luckily, RISENSE has committed itself to supplying intelligent, fully automatic vehicle washing equipment to provide customers with all-around car washing. Established in 2010, we are a professional manufacturer of intelligent car wash machines. Our company is located in the Higher Emerging Industry Park in the Qingdao Economic and Technological Development Zone. This location provides us with many economic and logistical advantages. Based on 40 years of car washing technology advancements from Japan and combined with the latest technologies from Europe and America, RISENSE produces 3 types of car washing systems: Japanese, European, and American. We have obtained ISO 9001 quality system certification, Europe CE quality certification, and more than 10 technical patents over the years. RISENSE owns a production base covering over 20,000 square meters with a consistent monthly output of over 150 car washing systems, including automatic bus wash systems, automatic tunnel car wash systems, rollover car wash systems, and more. Most of the mechanical parts used in our car wash machines are produced by RISENSE, which allows us greater control over quality and on-time delivery. Our advanced 3D laser cutters cut profiles strictly in accordance with the design schematics with a deviation less than 0.03 millimeters. The machine frame is hot dip galvanized, improving the corrosion and rust resistance and extending the service life to 15 years. The parts assembly and product testing are conducted in strict accordance with procedures to make sure every machine performs up to standard. RISENSE dedicates itself, as always, to offer customers high-quality vehicle washing systems. The automatic tunnel car wash system can wash 45 to 55 cars per hour with continuous, fully automatic operation. The electroplated conveyor device system equipped at the tunnel wash system entry can ensure the smooth access of cars to the washing area, which is configured with a Japanese high-density polymerized nylon roller, featuring a high driving force and great wear resistance. The high-pressure water pre-washing system utilizes a 6-nozzle swinging-type high-pressure water spray method to form a fan-shaped water fountain that quickly and thoroughly rinses the car. Short vertical brushes can auto-detect car distance and tilt 15 degrees inward in combination with horizontal tire brushes to perfectly clean the car's underbody and tires. The first group of long vertical foam brushes can tilt to wash closely around the car. The second group achieves a soft and delicate washing performance and is capable of moving back and forth to automatically clean the car body. In addition to that, the vertical elevating top brushes can auto-detect the roofline and move closely but not too close and wash the car to achieve a better washing effect. After the car is sprayed with water and wax, our contour-following dryers, including the 2-sided parallel blowing dryer and elevating top dryer, will follow the contours of the vehicles to effectively clear the remaining water. Afterwards, the chamois dry brushes can automatically dry and polish the vehicle. The gantry rollover car wash system is widely used in car beauty shops, vehicle repair facilities, car washing stations, and other places. This car wash system adopts a closed structure to make sure the internals are waterproof, and the car washing track utilizes superior steel to enhance the stability and wear resistance. 1 rollover, 2 rollover, or single function mode can be chosen from as the washing method. The whole washing process includes low pressure water pre-washing, foam splashing, wax spraying, and contour following drying. The new 330 dryer system features 2 drying fans and blows air through 3 vents to get a better drying effect. The lifting track of the dryer shaft adopts a foam board. The high-pressure water jet system is also available to improve the washing performance.